I am honestly a little nervous right now. Hello everyone, Yumi's here. I hope you all are doing well. It's been around 2 months and I'm finally back. As if millions of people were waiting for me, right? But those who did, who stayed, who cared, and who supported me, thank you so much. It genuinely means a lot. I'm sorry for the silence. Life got a little loud, and I needed some time away to focus, breathe, and to find my voice again. But now I am here. During this break, life wasn't standing still. I was focusing on my exam, learning, exploring my hobbies, reflecting deeply, and spending a lot of time thinking about myself and this channel. I used that time to grow in ways that felt important, and somewhere in all of that, I became even more certain about what I want this space to be. So, this return isn't just about coming back, it's about coming back with more clarity, purpose, and vision. I also wanted to share a little about why I started this page in the first place. Back in December 2025, I randomly started taking interest in editing. What began as a simple 3 a.m. thought slowly turned into my first video. At first, I wasn't even sure if I really wanted to post it, but then someone just pushed me forward. My mentor, yeah, she believed that I had something valuable to share. She encouraged me to step into social media, to express myself, and to trust my potential even when I wasn't fully confident yet. And honestly, without that push, this channel might not be exist. So if you're watching this, ma'am, thank you so much. Your belief in me became one of the biggest reason why I started. And that's also why I started this journey faceless. At first, it felt safer. I wasn't fully ready to be seen, so I chose let my voice speak first. And even now, I'm still growing. I'm still behind this mask. But this is my first time truly showing up in front of the camera. Not because I have everything figured out, but because growing is about taking small, real steps even when they feel uncomfortable. And for me, this is one of those steps. The main thing I want you to know is that I am not here to lecture anyone about life. I am not here pretending I know everything. I am here to talk about those stuff we all feel but often keep to ourselves, the quiet struggles, the feeling we suppress, and the emotions that are hard to explain. I want this page to be a space where we can actually talk about those stuff honestly, not perfectly, just genuinely. And because I want this to feel like a real conversation and not just content, I want this page to be interactive. I want to hear your thoughts, your emotions, and your feelings. So if there is ever something on your mind which you feel but can't really say out loud, know that you can share it here through comments, DMs, and whatever feels comfortable. And I'll do my best to listen, connect, and to be present because maybe the things we struggle to say are exact what someone needs to hear too. This isn't just huge comeback. It's simply me returning with more clarity, purpose, and a stronger heart. And this is just the beginning. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me even in the early stages. I truly appreciate it. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.